Welcome to our Lemlist tutorial for beginners. Today we will quickly cover how to use Lemlist for effective email outreach and lead generation. First, let's create your Lemlist account. Go to the Lemlist website, click sign up, enter your email and password, then choose a pricing plan that suits your needs. Next, configure your email settings. Connect your email provider like Google Workspace or Microsoft 360 and authenticate your email domain for the better deliverability. Now, import your contact and create leads as list. Upload as CSV file or connect your CRM to bring in leads. Organize them by factors like industry or job titles for personalized outreach. Let's design your first campaign. Choose to create with AI, manually, or via a template. Add steps like automated email and follow up as well as manual tasks if needed. Set up multi-step email sequence. No nurture leads over time with personalized content. Before launching, review your leads and schedule emails at optimal times for engagement. After launching, monitor engagement metrics using Lemlist analytics tools. Don't forget to A/B test subject line and content to see what works best. For more visual learners, check out tutorial videos linked in the description. By following these steps, you will be ready to leverage Lemlist for successful email outreach. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips.